Valuable tips for ensuring affiliate marketing success. Knowing and applying proven methods of affiliate marketing is going to help you to succeed in making a regular profit in your business. You are going to need to take some time to learn the tricks of the trade. Once you learn the tricks that successful affiliates have developed, you are ready to take on the challenge of making your business a success. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, do your research first. If you can, actually try out the product. The more you know about the item, the more information you'll be able to include in your review. Otherwise, you'll end up using meaningless adjectives and drivel to fill up space in your video. Check the conversion rate of the affiliate company you are considering working with. Look for a site that has at least 1% conversion ratio, meaning 1 out of every 100 visitors make a purchase. Check the sales copy of the site and see if it makes you want to purchase. It will likely take you a good bit of time to discover which affiliate advertisements are the most effective for your particular demographic. Some clients may respond best to more flashy, media-heavy advertisements, whereas others may respond better to more unobtrusive ads. Make sure you adequately consider your target audience when selecting ads. To encourage others to help market your site, introduce an affiliate program. While affiliate programs can be a lot of work to manage, there are many third-party programs that you can use to handle this for you. Even a very small financial incentive is enough to get people to help market your products. Hopefully you have found these tips to be as valuable as many other affiliates have found them to be. You must really take the time to learn the ropes if you are going to make a success of your business, and this video is a great first step in doing just that. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.